There are 5 principles that we follow when we're working with subtle energy. The first of these is that everything is energy. You are energy, the air you're breathing, the chair that you're sitting on, the animals around you, rocks, trees, everything is energy. And everything shares energy with everything else. You are sharing energy right now with anything close to you, including the couch, the people around you, whatever's nearby. The second principle is that energy follows thought. We know from quantum science and with actual scientific experiments that the human thought directs what happens at the subtle energy level, or what the scientists would call quantum energy. The third principle is that like attracts like. Your thoughts are going to attract to you circumstances and experiences that are consistent with those thoughts, and your thoughts are also energy. So your energy attracts to you what you're experiencing in your world. The fourth principle is effectiveness is the measure of truth. When working with subtle energy, there can be a number of people who might argue about whether it's valid or not, and we just consider the results, and if it's effective, then we consider that to be the truth. Finally, intention trumps technique. We will be sharing with you a number of techniques, and it's important to remember that as long as your intention is clear about what you're trying to do, even if you don't do the technique exactly right, you're still going to get the results that you're looking for.